Hi guys, today I show you how to decoupage a tabletop with fabric. This cute little table is in good condition except for the small crack on the top. I fill it with wood filler. Once it dries, scuff sand the entire table with 240 grit sandpaper. Next, I spray primer. Once the primer completely dries, I spray black paint over it. I leave it to dry 24 hours. After that, I glue the fabric using Mod Podge and smooth it out. When it dries, I cut the excess fabric piece. Again, I apply the coat of Mod Podge on the tabletop. Let it dry and sand it to get a smooth finish. To enhance the retro look of the table, I decided to glue gold leaf around the tabletop. Once dry, I distress over it. Finally, I spray clear varnish to seal. This is perfectly fits with my retro theme home decor. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell icon.